Hi folks, it's Ron from Tigertown here in my home office in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada, the Hammer, and I'm alive, I'm alert, and I feel great. So let's get at it. You did a search for how to make a YouTube video. I imagine there's more to it than that. You'd love to make that video get the most views possible of your content, isn't that right? To do that, you need to know how to get the Google search engine spiders to put your videos on the first page of YouTube. And you could sometimes get it on the first page of Google search. And that's a good thing to have happen. Now, I learned how to do search engine optimization from a free online training website. I also learned the video marketing strategy that I'm presenting here. And if all this makes sense to you, I invite you to join that website at the end. First, for those that are untrained, what not to do. Don't go on and on about features and benefits of your product. People aren't ready to swallow that. They're just sort of curious a bit about your product, and that's all I want to do is arouse curiosity. My indirect approach to selling products works so much better. So here it is, how to make a YouTube sales marketing video. So what happens on the internet is people do a Google search for answers to their problems. Now let's say you're selling a piece of exercise equipment. Well, make a low impact exercise video about exercise in general. Provide several solutions for getting in shape in your video. That'll get them warmed up and thinking about they want to get in shape and how they're out of shape. Now, people are much more likely to see and click on videos which are on the first page. So you need to know how to get your video on YouTube's first page, that's for darn sure. And while you've got them there watching the video, drop a hint that what you're selling could help them solve their out of shape problem too. That arouses curiosity. Just say that there's a link to it, that's all, don't push it. Now what your video is doing, it's bringing their problem in front of mind. They're feeling the emotions of how they feel about it. That it may just ease them into checking out your product for a solution. So what you do is you suggest they check it out by clicking on your product URL in the YouTube description. That's all there is to it, folks. Thanks for sticking around. Bye-bye for now.